We are in the middle of the Sicily Lovers Tour, and as always we are in Modica to experience something really special. So, this is the Fiat 500 driving here in Modica. This is a beautiful cathedral dedicated to St. George. This is my special car. This is Salvo the driver. Arrivo! I just showed the promenade. Look at the beautiful view of the ancient Modica. Here we are. Ciao Salvo.
Ciao.
Here I am. This is an iconic vehicle from the 1960, the Fiat 500. Look! This is one of the best ways to experience Modica and its narrow streets. The Fiat 500 is included in all our small group tours of Sicily, the Sicily Lovers Tour. It takes place 3 times per year. The 2026 editions are already sold out, so if you want to join one of our small group tour of Sicily, you can check our website, things-to-do-in-sicily.com, to see the available spots in 2027. But it's also highly recommended in all our custom private tours of Sicily. They will be available all year round.
Per questo motivo a Modica.
Our drivers drop us off in the modern part of Modica. We are in front of the beautiful church dedicated to St. Peter, and right in front of the restaurant where we will enjoy our special lunch. But the restaurant owner is also a very famous chocolate maker here in Modica. So we will experience the chocolate that still preserve the authentic recipe that the Spaniards brought to Sicily during the 1600s. So they imported the fabulous, the delicious chocolate from South America, and they exported to Sicily. And this is of course another highlight in our tours of Sicily.
Ready, and we can start putting it into the molds. It's totally different.
We will rock you.
So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Fiat 500 experience, and see you the next one. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Mwah.